Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this Apple ID has not been yet used in the iTunes store or Apple store. If you're using an iPhone and you're having this type issue that this Apple ID has not been used in this iTunes store or the Apple store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings, then go for Wi-Fi, and you have to make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connections. Once you have that, simply enable your airplane mode or disable it for 4 or 5 times. And once you have that, you just have to wait for your phone connected to Wi-Fi, and then you just have to go for general, and then you go for VPN device management. You have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN. Once you have checked, you have to go back, and here now you have to select date and time, and you have to make sure that your date and time is set it correctly. So once you have that, you just have to go back, and from here you have to select the software update, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date. And once you have checked, you just have to go back, tap on your Apple account, and here select media and purchases, and then select view account. And here you have to change your country or region. You just have to select the region in which you are living. So just select country or region option. And here you have to select the region or the country in which you are still living. So in my case, I'm going to select my phones. Just select that. And once you have selected, simply tap on continue option. And here select agree in the top right corner. And then you have to enter these information, then tap on done. And once you have that, your problem will be fixed. You can easily use your Apple ID and your iTunes on Apple Store. So that's how you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.